How to overline text in Word. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open MS Word. Then select the text you want to overline. Then go to Insert. After clicking on Insert, click on Equation located on top right. Then go to Accent. Click on Accent. In Accent, scroll all the way down. After scrolling all the way down, you'll find over bars and under bars. Click on the first options and you're good to go. As you can see, overline above your text in Word. You can select any text you want to overline in this way, and that's how you overline text in Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.